Kani kadai ka Bethany TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kakanhon jong ka Bethany Society Shillong, kalayo ra ya ka nam Lahduh, ha kalempong ya kob la kai football, ha pedang ki kanhon jong ki brio ki bamla banyu i ki khmat. Ya kabala tem kum ka third Northeast Blind Football Tournament kabala pelong da ka Indian Blind Football Federation ringkat ke jing trelang bat ka Bethany Society Shillong. Ha kani kasngi ka kanhon jong ka Bethany Society Shillong. Kalala ban pelem no ya ka kanhon jong ka Northeast Shower Blind Football Club da shigol lanot lengba ka jing shot tiebreaker. Ya kani ka shigol na ka banta ka Bethany Society layo them da Gabriel Nongrum. Da kani ka nam jom ka Bethany Society Shillong kalayo kusnam ru da kapisa ka baar pusan hajar tingka kat ba ka kanhon kepelawan baar kalayo kasan hajar tingka. Hakani kasngi ka Deputy Commissioner jong ka East Castles District ka kong Matsiu Dorwar Nongbri kalalong ka kongsan. Hakabalay don lang ru u Superintendent of Police katnat CID UR Muthu. Nang tau Treasurer jong ka Meghalaya Football Association ba Wan Chan Bor R Kharkrang bat u David Absalom u balawan Mikhman na ka International Blind Sports Association. U Gabriel Nongrom u balayo banthap hadu khatsan teligi gol. Hakani kelempong ilakai menta ka kanti ulayo ra ya ka kusnam Golden Boot. Kat ba u captain jong ka Northeast Shower Blind Football Club. Ulayo ra ya ka nam Player of the Tournament. Ya ka nam Most Promising Player layo da u Manzoor Hussain na ka Handicap Association of Manipur. Kat ba u Sujit PS ulayo ya ka nam Best Goalkeeper. Namar ba kelempong ilakai kalong ka basaiso bat say madan ni kibabon kinong ilakai bat tibet bat bakansai. Nakalyang kakanhon International Blind Sport Association kalabu ru ya jing tmu ban kantop ya kumba katto katni kirang ilakai ban yadan mentalang ha kalempong ilakai ke ban sapelong ha ka slam aji kai jongka ka badan hapo sorba kochi
is a part of our life, whether we like it or not. And why I say that is because sports is the binding factor between us, our health, who we are and who we can be tomorrow. Of course, I can say this with conviction because I was born and bred up in a sports family. I've been with sports all my life. In fact, I was just sharing with Johnny about my journey in the different tournaments of the world when it comes to my sport of archery. I was very lucky to be involved in the last Rio Paralympic Games, where I was the chairperson of the Judges Commission in my own sport. But that said, it was only then that I could actually see the immense strength, courage, determination, and beauty of each and every sport. When I saw them being performed so brilliantly, so amazingly by these what people call as people with disabilities. Believe me, they are a million times stronger than us, faster, more intelligent, sharper, and their performances in their respective sports is absolutely outstanding. I give my heart to what IBSE is doing, IBFF is doing, Healing Lives, and all the other organizations who have taken it upon themselves to reach out to the underprivileged, to those who are needed, and to take them to a totally different level. Light After Dark has just shown us the number of talents that we have here in our state, and I'm sure that the same talent exists throughout the country. I would like to wish IBFF all the best in this endeavor and the endeavors to come. And I assure you that you have my personal and my official help and cooperation at all times. I would like to wish you all the best in this tournament again and pray to the Almighty that all of us live better lives by ensuring that those around us also live the same kind of lives that we have.
Football Federation is to raise awareness about the game of blind football. It's an international sport, it's a Paralympic sport, one of the very few Paralympic sports that the blind can play. The rules are quite simple. It's a 40-20 ground. It's a smaller ground, one third of a football ground, where 5 players play in each team. The goalkeeper is sighted, whereas the blind players are all compulsorily blindfolded. They move with the sound of the ball. The ground has long sides where the boards cover the long sides, and there's no throw-in or kick-in. It's a fast-paced game. 20 minutes each half. Total length is 40 minutes. Football is big in India, whatever you say. In places like where I'm coming from Kerala, in the northeast, it's in the blood, it's in the air. So we want to develop talents across. So we separated it and found a federation called Indian Blind Football Federation. We've done pretty well because India is ranked 29th in the world. The future is developing a good Indian side to make it to the first 20 in the rank so that we get into a World Cup. There are nearly 60 countries that play, so it's important that India plays the World Cup first and then gets into the Paralympics. And more than anything, it's an opportunity for the blind people to express themselves through football. Throughout, they've been held by their hand to walk around on the street, or even if their houses, they don't know what to do with them. We find them, give them a platform to play like the ground, teach them how to play safely, express themselves, be confident, and their confidence is something that you can only see to believe. In fact, our aim is to take it to different parts of the Northeast. This is a Northeast tournament, so last year we were in Tura, and before that in Shillong. So next year we'll give it another venue a chance. But we were told that Meghalaya itself, Shillong will continuously play because I've been guaranteed by the local sponsors and local organizers and Meghalaya Football Association that there will be continuous patronage for the game. So one is to make sure that the Visually Challenged play the game, the blind guys get a chance to play on a weekend whenever they're free, get access to a ground, make sure they can come out and express themselves. And you never know, like 2 players from the Meghalaya guys from the Meghalaya team are in my national team. Some of the best players actually. One of them is the captain of India. So we want to get them all recognized. We're not there yet, but we want to get them recognized. We're hoping that government can play a role. We can hope the football associations can play a role. Local sponsors, media, everybody can take the message and get them the exposure they require.
All the best. All the best. Play a good game. All the best. Thank you, sir. Nice game, sir. All the best. All the best. Thank you, sir. All the best. Thank you, sir. All right. All the best, my friend. Cheers. All the best. May the best team win. Thank you, sir. All the best. Thank you, sir. All the best. Lido.
Let us request the teachers also.
Shoot.
Please stop.
What they told you. You have to do 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 what they told you.
Moment for our team, and I think it is the second time that we are the champions.
Congratulations. And how do you feel of being the top scorer, getting the golden boot?
But it's all of teamwork. Without all my teams, this will never happen. I used to play striker, but I also used to come backside when the opponent team is strong. I have been playing 3 international tournaments. First was into the tri-continental tournament.
Yeah.
The second was the World Grand Prix, and the third was against Australia.
So how do you feel about all these tournaments?
It's a very, very new experience for me to expose myself to the world. I am from Nongpo, Umskun, Tugu district.
Playing this one is good. So this last year from September, I'm playing for India, and I got top score. India versus Australia, five score.
Wow. Okay, and just one last question: where are you from in Garo Hills, actually? I'm from Meghalaya in Tura and Ampati district. Ampati district. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.